Hello, welcome back to the channel. I almost spilled my coffee. If you're new here, my name's Arena and I'm a real estate agent in Oregon, and I usually am not in my pajamas on camera, but here we are. Anyways, I am having breakfast right now, avocado toast. I have my coffee here. Today, I am taking you on an open house with me. I want to just take you guys along with me so that you can see how I host an open house. If you're looking to become a real estate agent, or if you're already a real estate agent, maybe it will be entertaining for you, give you some ideas on how to host your open houses. In any case, I think it would just be really fun to take you guys with me. This house that I'm hosting today is listed for $350,000. It is a townhouse, so it has an HOA. I believe the HOA is $272 a month. And before I go to the open house, of course, I like to make sure that I am aware of all of the different features, that I can have those quick facts just ready to go when people ask me, simple things like bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, age of the house, if there have been any updates, if it has been remodeled at all. Knowing the age of the roof, the siding, the furnace, HVAC, if there's an air conditioning unit, let's see what else, the floors, if there's carpet, if it has been replaced recently or how old it is, what type of floor they have, a whole laundry list of things. If it's a townhouse or a condo, I love to know not only how much the HOA is monthly, but what it covers. So I've already packed my backpack. What I have in there is a speaker, a lighter to light a candle, so don't freak out. The candle is already in my car. It just lives in there. I bring a planner with me. I bring my laptop, my charger always. I bring business cards, snacks, typically like a basket of Pringles, and I bring chocolates that I put on top of my business cards to try to entice people to take them. I usually do bring water bottles. I think I just recently ran out, so I don't have those, unfortunately. I don't bring flyers with me anymore, and I'll explain why in a little bit. But yeah, I have everything prepped. I've already checked out the listing. I'm going to eat my breakfast and get ready so that I look presentable for my open house. Okay, so something I almost forgot to do is download the MLS Sheet onto my laptop. So like I was saying before, I don't bring flyers. I used to bring them before, but what I found is that usually only a couple people actually take them, and I have to end up throwing away the rest of them. I feel kind of bad. I'm wasting paper and wasting ink to print them, and then I just have to toss them. So what I do now is I'll download the client full MLS Sheet, and what I'll tell people if they ask for flyers, I'll be like, hey, I don't have any physical flyers with me, but I do have a virtual one. I'd be happy to email that to you. I've found that that is a great opportunity to get people's contact information, just keep in touch with them afterwards, and then I'm able to send them all of the information via email. So one, I'm not wasting any paper, and two, I'm getting people's contact info. So in my eyes, it's a win-win. Now I'll also go on to something called Spacio, which is an online sign-in sheet. They call it a paperless open house app for realtors. So let me show you actually what it looks like on here. This is the event. So what I'll do is I'll click start event, and so they'll put their name, their email, their phone number, or either or. They don't have to put both if they don't want to. And then it's really awesome when they answer this question, because like I said, if people already have an agent, I do not want to be taking that agent's business, because that is not cute, that is not ethical. So life hack, you guys, when I don't have time to fully do my hair, what I do is I put it up in like a half up, half down type of situation, and I just curl the front pieces. Efficiency, baby. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. I hope you can see it. This is just a long black pleated midi skirt from Target. These shoes are also from Target. They're just my strappy low block heels, super comfortable. This top, I think it's from Nordstrom Rack. I think it's by the brand Philosophy, and it's just like this light pink top with little ruffle sleeves. All right, we are on our way. It says I'll be there in 37 minutes, so about 10 minutes early. I usually like to come much earlier than that, but that's okay. All right, you guys, I am here, and I'm telling you, Hillsborough is like straight out of a Pixar movie. It is so cute here. There's a lot of townhomes and condos in this area, and the community that I'm in today is called Arbor Roses. I just love how everything is so uniform and super cute in HOA areas. Hello, I am hosting an open house for a listing in Hillsborough today. I'm going to put the address up here. The community is called Arbor Roses. It's like fresh out of a Pixar movie. It's super cute. It's listed for $350,000. I'm at the same exit as the Washington County Fair, so come say hi. I had a total of 3 groups come through. 2 had realtors already and 1 family did not. I was able to collect contact info and will continue following up with them to see if I can help them house hunt. It's not unusual to have a slow day on a Sunday morning, but I have to say I thought it would be busier for the price point and area. Either way, I'm glad I got to meet new people, and I'm definitely looking forward to vlogging more of my open houses. If there are any other videos you'd like to see from me, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you next week. Bye!